Here's a video of Daddy's Bajan sweetbread recipe. Here we have a mixture of the coconut, red cherries, and sugar, and of course essence, cinnamon, cloves, and different spices. And we're gonna combine them in a minute.
Okay. Now.
Combine all ingredients, wet ingredients and dry ingredients. So mixing it a little at a time until all the ingredients are smooth.
Oh, you're going to cut, so see, not too much, see, and work it in like that, not you get raw flour in the bread. You don't want a raw flour and eat it, right? Right, don't pull out them like that.
Oh, Jaden's taking a turn.
I got soft coating, so
All the pans are dusted and greased. Final mixing. All ingredients are combined and smells and looks delicious. This is 10 pounds of flour. I'll list the ingredients later. And after show you guys the final result.
some water to let it steam in.
So we just spoon fill, kind of part way up the pan. Right? There we go. That looks good.
You don't need anybody's spoon first.
And here we are,
Put this in
looking
it.
good.
Now put this in here.
Give them a little shape, level them out. And they all look delicious.
You open it down now. Pass them to me.
Here we go, into the oven. That's it. Nice golden brown.
How that cook? Yeah, them done.
Look at this. Ooh, smells like Christmas. Golden brown, delicious bread. Can't wait to cut it. Golden brown loaves of coconut cherry. That's it. We got 16, 15 loaves. And this is finished bread. Got your raisins, and you got your, you know what? You can have this with tea, coffee.